Good morning Philippines, Pilipinas. Kanya po ang inyong Lolo Siano. Lolo Siano, good morning. Nyate adventure ko ng pagkabuhaton guys sa Global One Realty and Property Management Corporation. Good morning, good morning. Muna itong sakyan guys. So we're going to SRP South Road Properties. Ang inyong Lolo Siano. We do a clean up drive guys. So yung mga taga Global One clean up drive yung gagawin sa SRP. So yun lang muna guys. Advance Merry Christmas and God bless us all. Bye bye and bye bye. Lolo Siano Vlog. Bye bye and bye bye.